Hi guys, how you doing? I know it's been quite a while. It's been like almost a whole month since I made a video, but anyway, I'm back and today I have this beautiful necklace for you. It's very simple. So these are my fabrics that I use. These are just scraps of fabric that I just keep around. Then I took a big water glass and then I just started drawing circles like that. So all in all, I cut about 18 circles, but again that will just depend on, first of all, the size of your circles and how long you want your necklace to be, and also how big the circles are. You just be measuring. Then after that I cut the circles out with a pair of scissors. After that I took two and then I placed them right sides facing each other, and then I just went on the edge and I started doing this tucking stitch right round. Then I'll leave a space of about 2 inches opening. So that is the space that I left, and then I just turned the little fabric inside out. So now it looks something like a little bit of a pouch like that. And I tried to make sure that it's completely turned inside out. And I did the same thing for all the other little circles. Then after that I'll now take an iron and then I'll just iron it out to make sure it's completely flat. Then I'll fold in those edges insides like that, and then iron again to make sure that there are no raw edges. So it looks a little bit flat, like it's not circular like the rest of the little pouch, but that doesn't matter. So when I was done, I now took a piece of ribbon about 11 inches each. You can definitely make this longer, it doesn't need to be this short. Mine was actually quite short. Then I just seal the edges off with a lighter like that. Then after that I take 2 of the little circles and then I insert the ribbon like that, and then I sew only 2. And I try to make sure that it's really secure, and then I make knots. And I also do the same thing for the other one. You cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. Then I keep those aside, and then I now take out a big needle, possibly any needle that you can thread. So this way about 8 threads, regular threads. So as you can see, you need a needle with a big hole. And I now just start folding the little circles like that and inserting the beads as I go. So by the way guys, if you don't follow me on social media, please follow me on Instagram. My username is the same name of my channel, it's @Buttery, and on Facebook it's African Print Fashion South Africa. And if you have any video requests, please let me know in the description box and I'll be happy to do them for you. And please, after watching this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But most of all, please share with your friends. Show your friends my channel and tell them to also tell their friends, so that we can all join the Buttery DIY family. So as you can see, I start and I finish with the circles that have the ribbons. Then make sure to put like knots, and I just decided to add about 2 more beads on each end because I had plenty of beads left over. And these are wooden beads, by the way. Then I just tied the nose to make sure that the beads do not escape. So that is the end product, that is the finished necklace. So